Festival, September 21st. It's a little rainy out here, but we're gonna go check it out. Look at this one. This one has chocolate covered strawberries, bananas, and cheesecake. It has chocolate covered cheesecake. They're so cute. Oh man. Oh, it's too cold to drink anything from that. Like it's kind of cold out today, so.
Oh, they're right there. No.
Looks like the whole surrounding area is food trucks, and then in the middle is vendors. We got some Asian street food and dumplings. Dumplings are always good. We also got a taco truck, which is always good. Right, we gotta get something from each quarter, alright?
Each quarter, yeah.
So I tried to come with some Halloween gear. I have my hat, and I also have these cute bat earrings. And then I have a Haunted Mansion sweatshirt. So ghosts will follow you home. I also have a bat purse on. Hold on. Trying to fit in with the season. There he is. He's walking towards us.
Lizzie time.
They look good. So I got the house dog. I think it has honey mustard, onion, and bacon on it, right? I think so. What's yours
I have the
was?
same thing, but with cheese.
Nice. All right, take a bite. Give me a rating.
Okay. It's gonna be messy. Oh wow.
Glitzy
It's a
scale.
9 dog all day, bud.
9? Nice. Yep. This is the beer garden. You need 21 to get in there. They have it in the basketball court, which is kind of funny. Okay, we're on the next quarter. We have some more Asian food. I see dumplings. Nice. We have some Italian meatballs, chicken parm sliders, ice balls. Oh, we have another taco place. Ooh, egg rolls.
Could I do like one crab ragout egg roll and then one buffalo chicken egg? Unfortunately, no. Okay.
All right, how is it?
It's pretty good. I'm gonna try this one with the duck sauce.
Oh, it came up the other end.
I mean, I've done them again.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. What's your rating?
I'm gonna give it a 7.5.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay, so the taco truck that was at our wedding almost a year ago is here. And we were joking earlier saying like, what if it was here? And it actually is, and now we're having a meltdown. This is so crazy. They literally did our wedding. And they're from South Shore, not North Shore, so this is crazy. The pork. We're literally freaking out. They are the best tacos that we've had. And I'm so full, but we had to get them because, again, they catered our wedding. And we haven't had them since the wedding, which was almost a year ago in a couple weeks. So, because we moved to the North Shore from the South Shore, so we haven't been able to have them. So. Okay, we're in the vendor section now. Let's see what we can find. There's quite a few of them. You want to start all the way down and then Come back. So let's take a look. Got some permanent jewelry. Ooh, it smells nice. That must have come from this candle booth. It smells like pumpkin. So I guess the start of it is this booth right here. Alright, well, I'll let you know what we get. Hi, how are you? Good, thanks. Costume stuff in here. Some witch hats. Got some more sweatshirts over. Alright, so we just bought our first thing. This little mini witch watercolor. It's very tiny. It's gonna go on our art wall. What do you think? This was Chris's pick.
I like it. I think we're going to enjoy it on our art wall.
Check out some jewelry. Some cool rings over here. Look at this fun little decoration. Maybe Salem without skeletons. Our next purchase is a ghosty sticker
For my bike.
from this booth here.
Okay, what did Jackie get?
Got this necklace that says treat yourself.
Nice.
Okay, so the only thing we haven't gotten yet today is a dessert because we are full and running out of money. We could just get the regular dark.
You want the white drizzle?
We haven't gotten a baked good, so we decided to do something light because we're so full. So we're gonna go with the dark chocolate strawberries, which is very exciting. And you know, it kind of counts as something healthy. I mean, it's fruit, right? There it is in all its beauty.
Said to give it a minute and then we'll dry.
Gotcha. I'm gonna take a picture of it. Chris did it. Oh, I'm in the wrong way. You ate one? How's it going?
Tastes like a chocolate covered strawberry.
Everything we ever wanted. Okay, we just made it home. We are soaked. We are changing into dry clothes, and we have made some coffee and hot chocolate to warm up. But the food truck fair was awesome. Wouldn't you say, Chris? He's holding up a peace sign. It's pointing at me, not you. Yeah. I think the most food trucks we've ever seen at one place, definitely. My hair is a mess. It's okay. My little bat ears. Cool vendors, cool vibe. Definitely will go again next year. Thanks for watching. Bye.